In this video, I'm going to show you one indicator that I have launched a few days ago, and this indicator does not lag. Yes, guys, this is completely true. This is not a lagging indicator. Instead, inspired, this is the winning indicator, and I will prove this thing because if you go to my Telegram channel, you can see that even from the free signals in my group, my traders are exactly making money from the recommendations that I'm providing based on this indicator. So this indicator is based on the price action. Okay, so first of all, you can see that first of all, let me tell you that how you can book the lifetime version of this indicator. Simply go to fxmentorus.com. Soon it will be listed on the website. Okay, you can use the contact us option. You can contact on Telegram, and you can email us and from the website, or Telegram link is also provided in the description of this video below. Okay, guys, so first of all, if you just look at this indicator, this consists of the three major levels which are based on the price action, and plus we have the depth option. Now, for example, this is by default on depth 0. Right now, I have chosen depth 1. Let's say if I choose depth 2, okay, now you can see my levels are now much far than before. Okay, and why we use the depth option? Because there is a lot of role of the depth option. For example, if I go to the gold chart right now, okay, now if I show you the depth one take profit has already hit, because the market basically moved right from the lower part, and then the market has hit the maximum point at the top. This is your maximum take profit. So from now, it doesn't mean that you need to take a sell position. No, now you can change your depth. Okay, now still, if you want to work on the same concept, like for example, if you are not willing to change the depth, then what you can do, like this is the signal that I have given in my group. Okay, the market tested the second purple band, and then it was retraced back, and now you can keep playing with the retracements from the purple bands. Okay, I can show you more examples. For example, you can see if you are not into my Telegram group, otherwise I will show, like the market hit the first band, and here I have supplied the sell signal, and then pound USD went down. Okay, now you can keep playing it with it. Okay, so you cannot take a sell position from here, because the market is into the uptrend, and it is already telling you, and this doesn't mean that this is the selling zone. This is the maximum take profit. Okay, now this indicator basically works level to level. For example, let me give you an example. This is the USD CHF chart, and now you can see basically the market was coming from the upside. Okay, first of all, it hit the middle level. Okay, and then it was consolidating on that level. You can see, you will be known about the trend, because once the market is rejected from the top and it comes below the moving average, then do not consider these fake outs. Okay, for example, this is the fake out, and soon the market was reversed again. Okay, and you can see the purple bands kept you bearish, because the price action was below the purple bands, and then you can see exactly from the top, it has actually targeted the blue level. Okay, so this exactly happened with gold, because if you go to my Telegram channel, you will realize even from Friday I was saying just buy gold, because it was going from up from one blue level to the other red zone. So this is how this indicator actually works 90% of the time. Okay, so for example, okay, right now you can see that it was rejected from the red level. Okay, right now the price action is here. Yes, if you want to do a scalping, like you can see the price is above the moving average. If you want to do scalping, this is completely fine. I don't mind that you go for the scalping, but actually the market is coming with the intention to hit that level. So this is the possible scenario that it can happen, because the indicator exactly works like this. Okay, for example, look at Eurocat. It was rejected from the top, comes below the moving averages. Now you can see it exactly hit the blue level today. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to take care on. Okay, and even we are taking a very good profit on the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin was bullish. It was above my middle level, and my indicator was saying that the price is bullish, and I kept on buying, and all the retracements. Now you can see there are too many retracements. I can mark those areas. Look at this one. Okay, and you can see this is the retracement on the second band. I personally took that trade today. Okay, so there are a lot of retracement. Okay, so until unless the market is not going to break this level below, then we cannot consider that to be a bearish opportunity. Okay, so similarly, even if I show you, okay, right now, yes, definitely the market is coming from the lower side, it's above the green zone. So on the retracements that you are getting from the moving averages, go and take a buy position just for scalping. Otherwise, the second method I have provided you for the swing trading. And this indicator works on everything like forex, stocks, crypto, whatever you trade, you can trade this indicator for sure. So it works on bank nifty as well. Nifty, like the local stock markets, some India traders ask about the bank nifty. You can see the bank nifty is coming from the top. So this is the fake out, and right now again below the moving averages, and might be the gold, it is going to target the next level. Okay, otherwise, if until unless the market does not comes above the moving averages, we cannot consider it to be a bullish opportunity. And it works on everything like US 30, US 100. So guys, if you want to book the lifetime version of this indicator, then visit our website fxmentorus.com. Soon this indicator will be listed on our website, but you can use the contact us option for Telegram, and you can directly email us. Thank you very much for watching this video.